Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake easy way. First, gather your dry ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Next, add 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly in a large mixing bowl until they are well combined. This simple step sets the foundation for a delicious cake. Now let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 large egg. Stir these together gently. Then, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Once your wet ingredients are ready, pour them into the dry mixture. Stir until everything is just combined, being careful not to overmix. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Pour the mixture into an 8-inch round baking pan that has been greased and floured. Place it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack. Once your cake is completely cool, it's ready for frosting. Choose your favorite frosting, whether it's a simple buttercream or a rich chocolate ganache, and spread it evenly over the top and sides. Slice, serve, and enjoy your homemade, easy-to-make cake. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. This simple method proves that delicious cake doesn't have to be complicated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.